Hey everybody, it's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and I know that you excel at everything you do. Well, you're going to excel in the lunchroom with the Excel Lunch Bag from Adidas. This super cool performance lunchbox is made from polyester ripstop with that super cool Adidas logo, which you know is going to keep all your goodies nice and insulated. We've got one mesh pocket at the back so you can store easy access items. And of course, on the top we've got that carrying handle that can also be unclipped and you can clip it to your other items. That front pocket is an insulated mesh pocket for your ice packs that keeps the ice pack away from your items, keeps them nice and dry, but it's insulated, keep them nice and cool, or you can store other items in there as well. And that main compartment, you've got a big spacious lunchbox so you can pack all your goodies and keep them nice and cool. And on the bottom we have one dual zipper pouch that allows you to add some extra snacks. So pick up this excellent lunch bag. I'm sorry for my terrible jokes. Get it today from Adidas.